Hello, hello, my beautiful, wonderful family. It's Shawn again. Today, I talk about some doing business in Jamaica, or not necessarily doing business, but I guess yeah, it have to do with doing business. Cause if I do business, you have to deal with the banks in Jamaica, and dealing with the banks in Jamaica, and nothing easy. It's not an easy task, and not for everybody. Everybody, including me. Because me not have the patience for them and them back a time system, sorry. But that's what it is. It's a back a time system and them need to address it, them need to look on it cause it not work. It not work. I don't know why they make it so normal. Everybody just normalize the system and not work. It don't make no sense to me.
Shawn again. Like, share, subscribe, call your friend. Me say ya Shawn again, me say ya Shawn again. Bring good vibes pon the corner them. A Shawn again. Like, share, subscribe, call a friend.
So have a Scotia bank account and the Scotia bank account we should have is like them hacker account and them they have to freeze the account. And this happened all while she was overseas. See? Okay. Them couldn't get her a new card. So here's the deal. Them couldn't get her a new card and the money what she'd have in her account, she never have no access to it for the entire time while she was overseas. Because what they must say is that she have to come in at the bank in order to get a new card and activate back the account because them did shut it down due to the hacking of the account. Zin? Alright, cool. Now mind you, them take out most of $200,000 and while it take a few months, them did give back the $200,000 and there's no access to that money whatsoever. Zine, and it's like we're in a Jamaica now and we got the bank for activate the account, activate the new card, and what them tell her is that she imagine you have to go to the bank, you bring your ID, you bring all kind of identification for sure say are your account and you go activate back the account. Zine, for activate the account, them tell her, say, alright then, just make a transaction before the end of the day in order to activate the account. If you don't make a transaction before the end of the day, then the account is going to become deactivated again. You see me? Why that makes sense? I have no idea. Like, no, there's no logic in that. Activate if you don't do it before the end of the day. Why before the end of the day? And why does it go back inactive? Why does it go back? Oh my god, how does the account become deactivated once again if I don't do a transaction? Why would it? Because you don't see me, you see my face, you see my ID, me come inside of the bank and talk to you. You see me already, why would you deactivate the account again? It don't make no sense. Nothing makes sense here. This shit no make like, gosh man, like me I get irritated due to this. I hear the baby run this. Yeah, so like as for the account being deactivated if I don't make a transaction within 24 hours, that makes zero sense to me. Nothing about it makes sense. Because they don't see me. I had to come in the bank and let me tell you, everything in Jamaica takes time, especially banking. If you have to go do no banking at all, just know say you have to put out or you have to account for 3 to 4 hours of your time for that day there. You see me I say? Don't ever have no 2 banking stop you make in a one day. If you try make 2 banking stop in a one day, boy, you know say a whole day that cause you have to split them there up. You have to go split it up. It not go work out. You go mad. You go mad. Trust me man, you go mad cause it's like, hold on, baby a ball like it. Yeah. So like it's like me don't know. It's like it just don't make no sense. Scotia, what is it? Yeah, me just hope say una see this and you send it to whoever in charge of changing shit up at Scotia. Because you reach in the line you have maybe 30 people in front of you, maybe 8, 10, 20, 30 people in front of you once you reach a Scotia. One person, them sit down with all an hour. 30 minutes. You have 30 people in front of you and them a sit down with one person for all 30 minutes. You know why? Because 20 out of the 30 minutes I for just identify the person and make sure them is who them is. Money if you do a transaction between 24 hours what them say. We buy some KFC buy, KFC go through Ray. So I try to withdraw some money out of the account now. I tell us, the ATM I tell us the account is not accessible. So that I tell me that the account is now deactivated again. The day when I tried to draw the money out of the account was the following day after purchasing the KFC. We call back the bank, them a tell us them a see where the account not active or must deactivate back, and we are gonna need to go back in at the bank once again. But telling you already say if we go in at the bank at 3 to 4 hours. So we go to the bank and the bank give you, of course you go there, you go up to the teller or wherever you go, you get a ticket. The ticket what we get must be 70 something, 75, 77, and them only there 50. 40 minutes pass, I go back in at the bank, them reach at 55. Remember say 72 we get 72 and a 55 in a 40 minutes. We sit down in our car and wait for see if our time I go blow off, make we go in. Alright then, so we go say, alright, we're gonna move from the bank and maybe the bank is just busy. New Kingston with there. Scotia need to do better. With there New Kingston, I was say alright, so we want to go one different bank somewhere else. We can't do it at the bank there because we need to go the branch where the credit card or where the account did open at. What kind of nonsense that? What the branch them there for? That don't make no sense. I know. Banking in Jamaica don't make no sense. If any other bank them there will make more sense than this, you come comment and there is something them can open an account there so. And not bother with the foolishness neither. Because Scotia, this is not it. So I wait for a title for a vehicle from JMMB. In order to get the title, so the car pay off and we wait for the title, the car sell and we try to get the title to the new owner. And in order to get the title, we need to get the title from the loan officer. The loan officer?
Yeah, loan officer we did give it the loan. How much
we get a loan from the bank, the bank. And I know one individual give me a loan and the bank me get a loan from. Pan me loan and the bank name upon it. And in order get the title from the bank, we need to get it specifically from the loan officer who did angle the loan for me many years ago. So if me I try to simply collect my loan title and call the bank in order to get that, them have to get through to the loan officer, and if the loan officer then not work today there, me have to go wait till the next day in order to get not to get the title but to talk to somebody. That not make no sense. Like on the banking system here just don't make no sense at all. Who not do this? And then everybody just normal with it, like okay, this is what it is, so that's what we're working with. No, this doesn't make no sense. Some little things were just unnecessary, like nothing about it don't make no sense. When you can change up some things that make things better for the people of Jamaica, it don't make no sense. We speak to the loan officer. The loan officer put it in, say we want the title. She said 5 to 7 business days. We end up, it reached 7 business days today. We call her. First of all, she now answer the phone. We end up call the bank again, and so the bank call her. So she end up call her back. She call her back. She tell us say, well, unfortunately, it just ain't ready yet. The title ain't ready yet. She gonna try to make it happen tomorrow, but it'll look more like Friday, which is 5 more days from today. Initially, 5 to 7 days, So now me I look on 2 weeks to get the title in order for the person who purchased the car can use the car and get the documents for the car. Tell me if it makes sense, no man. It nah make no sense at all. It nah make no sense. A piece of paper, 2 weeks. And if you're 2 weeks late on the loan, the amount of interest reach you, all kind of things, fees and penalty. And I can't get my title. Anyways, Jamaica, on the banking system has stressed me out. And not just the banking system, but I come talk about some other things. When if you fix things, man, it's bad. Anyways, thank you for listening. And if nobody have no connection, if nobody have no connection inside of Scotia, I talk up at the top part of Scotia, or whoever them control, please let's send this video to them. And if they need to put me on the board, them can put me on the board, let me advise some things, and if them just want to hear how them can get better, make a suggestion box, me put my suggestion them in there. But something need for change. Anyways, like the video. Before we get to that, wait. Don't like the video yet. The people that will come and tell me say, oh, I just saw the system stay, and I just the country and them do as best as them can do better, and that me I try to get the country for do better. We can do better. So, like the video, subscribe. Jesus. Hey, alright, okay, alright. What was that? Yes. Subscribe, like the video, and share it if you have the same problems. Let me know if you don't have the problems. Also, let me know down there. So, but yeah, until next time. Shawn again. I'm gone again.
Shawn again. Like, share, subscribe, call your friend. Me say ya Shawn again. Bring good vibes pon the corner them.